In this video, you'll know about the best video lights, which can help you for portrait, children, wedding, etc., supplying perfect and enduring fill-in light when shooting and recording. Product details. Viltrox LED video light adopts the newest LED honeycomb design. It has high brightness, nature, and soft lights, adjustable color temperature, 3300K 5600K. The high-definition LCD display, let the operation interface is clear. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature steplessly. It's suitable for portraits, children, weddings, etc., supplying perfect and enduring fill-in light when shooting and recording. The hot shoe adopts a durable metal baseboard. It can be mounted on DSLR, DV camcorder, and tripod. Features. 1. High brightness LEDs are used, which are also energy saving, high efficiency, low light decay, and long service life. 2. With an LCD display, which can show the brightness, color temperature, and battery percent. 3. 120 degrees light angle. 4. More than 95% color rendering index, makes the picture much nature. 5. Double color temperature, can be adjusted steplessly. 6. Exquisite workmanship, 22mm super slim. 7. The louver placed all around the body. 8. The bracket can be rotated 90 degrees in front and back casually. 9. LED flash circuit ensures fast LED recharge and accurate flash. 10. Rechargeable specific battery or DC power adapter. Let's see the specifications and packaging list of the product at a glance. So, you can take it with you to make a great video for your next production. Please subscribe to the channel to get new product reviews for choosing the best one.